back into working in the field. So what we did is I teamed up with my daughter, who lives in Canada full time, and she brought me to the system, showed me the system. We believed in it right away. We joined together. So we started our business together. So I live all over the world and she lives in Canada, and we still work together. So it took us about 13 months to get through the training and get our business up and running. Or 13 months, sorry. About 13 days, not months. It's been 13 months since we've been in the business. We're very successful. Now my husband and I can travel all over the world still, and the business is supporting us. Plus, it is supporting my daughter that has a brand new family in Canada. So it's great. We started it took us about 6 months, and then we started making that $10,000 a month. And then plus. So now we're able to support both families running our business from anywhere. Literally, I grab a cell phone like this, and I can do it from in Hong Kong. I'm in an airport in Hong Kong, or I'm on a beach in Bali, or I'm in a hacienda here in Mexico, and my business is right here. So that's the best thing for me. That was the biggest impact, is I can help my daughter by just carrying my cell phone around. That's all I need. And so we're able to do it perfectly just by doing that. That's pretty well all I have. Like I said, it's just, I can run it from anywhere.